Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to move to the UK via the charity worker visa route, there's this organization that is currently taking volunteers from all over the world. So you all know that to volunteer means offering a free service. This organization promised to give you a monthly stipend, but not a salary. So don't expect a salary. If you don't know what volunteer means, you can check it out on Google or go to the gov.uk website to read all about the charity worker visa so that you know what to expect before applying. Okay, I know that a lot of you know about it, and I've been sharing videos like this here on this channel, and I promise to bring this type of content. That is why I'm bringing you another one today. So all you're going to do is to grab your pen and paper, grab a seat, sit down, jot down things as we go through the details of this organization. And after watching, start your application immediately. Start your application immediately. I keep saying it. Okay, because once the video is out, other people will make videos on it and everybody is submitting. Sometimes they do first come, first serve. So I'm going to walk you through all the details, starting from Google, where I'm going to be searching the name of this organization so that you too can search it and find it yourself. I don't leave links in my videos for people that are always asking about links. You're going to go to Google and search it yourself. Don't forget to like this video, okay, and comment your progress in the comment section. So let's dive in. The name of this organization is Scargill's Community. When you come to Google, search for Scargill's Community. It's going to pop up like this. This is it. It's in Yorkshire. It's in North Yorkshire. Okay. So if you opens like this, just go ahead and click on international. Don't click on their homepage. Go to international, because if you go to their homepage, you might not be able to find this international. Let me show you. So this is their homepage. Okay. So they welcome people they organize or they host Christian events. They host retreats, holidays in this community. Okay. So that's basically what they do. It's a big place, so they need people to help. Okay. So yeah, I told you guys that if you come here, you might not be able to find what you're looking for. That is why I said when you open Google like this and search for it, click on this internationals. So it will take you straight away to their volunteer program page. International Community Volunteer Program. Scargill's community is made up of people from the UK and volunteers from across the world. Can you see that? Volunteers from outside of the UK join us on our International Community Volunteer Program. Together, we represent Christians from many different countries, traditions, and denominations. If you are interested in joining us as an international community volunteer, there are some things you need to know before getting in touch. Now, this is the best part. Listen carefully. The things that you need to know before you join them. You need to know these things before you even start application so that you don't waste your time. Okay? First, through our International Community Volunteer Program, we are able to offer a limited number of placements to those wishing to join us from outside the UK. You would be serving alongside community members and would be an integral part of the community, immersed in all aspects of community life. You must be a committed Christian to join the International Community Volunteer Program at Scargill. I keep talking about this. If an organization says that you must be a Christian, don't ask me questions in the comment section. If you're not a Christian, move on to the next one. You must be a Christian for this one, because when they come out for their prayers and Christian events, how would you be comfortable if you're not a Christian? So you need to be a Christian to apply for this one. You need to have a good standard of written and spoken English to be eligible for a place in the program. There is an induction program, regular supervision, pastoral support, and 2 reviews. The International Community Volunteer Program offers placements of up to 12 months. We do not accept applications for this program from those with young families. I know that a lot of you want to travel with your children and husband. This one does not allow that. Okay? You can't go with your family. You will be asked to accept and agree to live by the Sagio pathway promises and to be actively involved in the daily rhythm of prayer, community meetings, and community groups. Like I said earlier, if you're not a Christian, this one will not benefit you because you need to be part of, or you're going to be part of the prayers and all the activities that goes on in the Christian community. Okay. You will have the opportunity to take on roles of responsibility, to grow in confidence and develop leadership and team building skills, whilst working as part of one or a number of teams. As part of the community, you will share in the responsibility for preparing and leading our morning prayers, you see. So you need to be a Christian, a practicing one like that, because you're going to be preparing and leading morning prayers when it's your turn. You will be expected to welcome and engage with our guests while you serve them at meals, support and lead afternoon walks and workshops, including craft activities, evening entertainment, and much more. You know that this place hosts events, Christian events, holiday events. So you're going to be assisting in serving meals to the guests, supporting and leading afternoon walks with the children and the visitors that are coming today. Community. Sometimes you will be a part of the host team, which includes being responsible for guests and visitors' needs, their program, leading evening prayers, giving notices, etc. So this one comes with a lot of responsibilities. Now, the best part again is accommodation is provided, as the nature of your work requires you to be resident here at Scheduled House. You will be given your own room. So this one is not a shared accommodation or shared rooms. You'll be given your own personal room. You'll be living in that place, okay? Your meals will be provided and you will receive a small monthly allowance. Like I said, most organizations give monthly stipends because you can't come and stay there for 12 months with nothing. They will give you monthly stipends, but they're going to feed you, accommodate you, and but there's no salary. So when they say there's no salary means they're not going to be paying you like someone on a skilled worker visa, because that's not the type of job you're doing. You agree to volunteer, but they'll be giving you a stipend. It's just like being an au pair. You go and live with people, look after their children or elderly ones just for cultural exchange. They can give you stipends if they feel like it, but they won't pay you monthly salary. Then holiday entitlement starts with 20 days annual leave and 8 bank public holidays in the first instance. These both form part of the overall holiday entitlement. So you also have a holiday entitlement, okay, which starts with 20 days annual leave and 8 bank holidays. So you're not going to work for 12 months without rest. You're going to have 20 days annual leave and 8 bank public holidays. Okay, so you have the time to rest, do other things. Remember, I told you guys you can do other job. You can do another job under this type of job that you're coming for. You can do a 20-hour paid job. So you're going to be doing a job that is similar to this one, but 20 hours per week. Okay, that one is just for you and your pocket. So if you have the mind, apply, you're approved, and you come here, you'll be able to find another organization. There are so many charity organizations here, charity shops looking for people that are already in the UK. So yeah, it's a good one. So for visa, those wishing to take advantage of this opportunity would need to ensure that they have in place a valid visa prior to traveling to the UK to begin the placement. Typically, this involves the applicant applying for a charity work visa with sponsorship of the visa provided by Schedule Movement. So they're going to provide the sponsorship for you. Schedule has a vigorous application process for those seeking sponsorship. We seek references from employers, pastors, and friends, as well as evidence of finances. you will need to pay your NHS surcharge, administration fee, and flight cost. So they will sponsor you, but you're going to pay the other fees. You're going to pay your NHS surcharge, administration fee, and your flight ticket. I know a lot of people that have been asking me for this opportunity. They are ready to sponsor themselves, but they've not found any organization to sponsor them. So this is a good one for you guys. Further information is included with the information pack sent to those who register an interest in becoming an international community volunteer. So if you get in touch with them, so it says you can find out more about the requirements from the UK Visas Immigration website. If you're interested in applying to join community as part of our international community volunteer program, then please get in touch and we will let you have more details. If you want to volunteer in their community, you're going to click on please get in touch, and they will get in touch with you and give you the pack. That's the further informations that will be in a pack. Okay, once you register your interest to become one of their volunteers, we are going to provide 2 references. First is from your employer and another one is from your pastor, and it says friends. Okay, so they need to make sure that you go to church. As you've said in your application, they need to make sure that your pastor confirms that you actually go to church. So click on please get in touch. When you open it, who is your inquiry for? You're going to open this and select volunteering as a working friend. That's what you're going to select. Not personnel, because they're not going to employ you. You're not in the UK already. You're going to click on volunteering as a working friend. Your name, you put your name, your surname, email, phone number, then the inquiry. Please do justice to this inquiry form, okay, and send it to them. Then they will send you the full package or the full pack of the information, and you get started with that. That's it for this video. I hope you go and start application today. No wasting of time. Go and start your application. Okay, I told you guys that if you haven't submitted up to 1,000 application, you have not started. So don't forget to like this video. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to the channel. God bless you. I wish you all success in your applications.